president fiercely defended his trade policy in Georgia yesterday. Take a look.
Every country in the world was ripping us off, and to think that we have to be before the Supreme Court on a thing like this. People from outside of our country to get rid of tariffs, and it's making our country rich, and it's a disgrace that we even have to talk about this subject.
Let's get a fresh perspective on this. You're looking at Drew Greenblatt. He's the owner of Marlin Steel, which is a steel fabrication plant in Baltimore, Maryland. Good morning, Drew, and a warm welcome back. I think if memory serves, last time we spoke with you about, was it a year ago? Or, yeah, about a year ago. You supported Mr. Trump's new tariff policy. We've had 12 months to see how it's shaken out. How does that compare to your opinions now?
We're thrilled with what's happening with the new policies. What's happening is we're finally getting a level playing field. Our company is reinvesting back. We bought the most expensive tool in company history. It's going to be coming in April or May. It's almost just shy of $2 million. It's called a TruMatic laser cutter, and it will laser and punch cut 10 times faster than we currently cut. So this is going to help us hire more talent, grow more people in Baltimore. Also, we have factories in Indiana and Michigan. All of these factories are surging forward with this optimism. You know, there's a massive decoupling in our nation. In the past, we were very closely tied, only buying from China. Now we're going to start building back in America now. And this is going to be very good for our middle class. It's going to help our poor people get opportunities and jobs in America with middle-class jobs, high-paying jobs. It's very exciting.
So it seems like you're highlighting an investment in technology and benefits for you as a U.S.-based steel manufacturer. But we've got this major decision today from the Supreme Court, which carries the potential to overturn the president's tariffs. What is your view on that possibility?
It's inconceivable the Supreme Court is going to overturn this policy. It would be madness to have 535 Washington representatives and senators negotiating deals with, China and Canada and Mexico. We should have one person, the president, negotiate the deal. He should be cutting deals. This president is putting in policies so that it's level. So our factory workers have a shot to compete with China and Mexico and Canada and Europe. And finally, we're getting wins in America. We only buy American steel. We only build in America. This is how we can hire locals rather than people from Shanghai, rather than people from Juarez. Major companies are going to start buying from Americans rather than from China, rather than from Mexico. It's good for our people in America.
Well, Drew, it's important to see that your opinions are consistent. They do not seem to have shifted. The Supreme Court may rule on this as soon as today, but we'll stay close and get your response when we do have a decision. Thank you, Drew.